App Folder Organizer is an Android application designed to help users efficiently manage and organize their apps and shortcuts on mobile devices. This app allows users to create custom folders, enabling them to categorize applications based on their preferences, such as functionality, frequency of use, or personal interests. With App Folder Organizer, users can easily drag and drop apps into designated folders, simplifying access and decluttering the home screen. The application often features various customization options, including the ability to rename folders, choose icons, and adjust layouts, allowing for a personalized organization system. Additionally, the app may offer widgets that provide quick access to folders, making it convenient to open multiple applications with a single tap. By enhancing the organization of apps, the App Folder Organizer improves the overall user experience, making it easier to find and launch applications while keeping the home screen neat and organized.